Apple TV comes to Android. Adobe launches generative AI video model. Google to estimate user age with AI. Apple explores humanoid robots. AI making us dumb. A quantum leap in computers and more on today's Tech Brief. Apple has launched its TV app on Android devices, expanding access to its Apple TV Plus service and MLS Season Pass, including features like offline downloads and personalized recommendations. However, Android users won't have access to the in-app movie store. This marks Apple's first major subscription release for Android in over a decade. Additionally, Apple has released iOS 18.3.1 to fix a critical security vulnerability exploited in targeted attacks. Apple is also exploring both humanoid and non-humanoid robots for its future smart home ecosystem. While still in early development, these efforts are focused on user interaction and perception, with an emphasis on sensing hardware and software. A recent research paper highlights non-anthropomorphic robots like a Pixar-style lamb demonstrating expressive movements. Although Apple has previously abandoned early projects, its openness about its robotics research may be aimed at attracting talent. The future of these projects as consumer products remains uncertain. Mass production is unlikely before 2028. Samsung is preparing to release a tri-fold smartphone, potentially the Galaxy Z Fold, featuring 3 folding parts, a 10-inch unfolded display and a 6.49-inch cover screen. Due to complex manufacturing, only about 300,000 units are expected, with the launch set for the second half of 2025. Adobe launched Firefly Video in public beta, an AI-driven tool for creating videos from text or image prompts, with features like camera angle control and integration with Adobe Creative Cloud. Adobe sees it as a key part of its AI-focused creative future. Google is testing an AI-based age estimation model to provide age-appropriate experiences on platforms like YouTube. It's also rolling out enhanced parental controls like managing notifications during school hours and approving Google Wallet payments for kids. This aligns with increasing regulatory pressure on online child safety. Microsoft's Patch Tuesday addresses 63 vulnerabilities, including critical flaws that allow privilege escalation and remote code execution. Updates for Windows 11 improve features and security, with users encouraged to install them promptly. A new Microsoft study conducted in collaboration with Carnegie Mellon University warns that over-reliance on AI tools like Microsoft Pilot and ChatGPT may weaken critical thinking skills. The research found that workers who frequently use AI for routine tasks may experience cognitive atrophy as they lose opportunities to practice judgment and problem solving. The study surveyed 319 knowledge workers who use AI weekly and found that those who had high confidence in AI's capabilities relied less on their own critical thinking. In contrast, those with more confidence in their own abilities were more likely to verify and improve AI-generated outputs. Key concerns include AI shifting human effort from deep thinking to simply verifying AI responses, potentially diminishing problem-solving skills over time. However, workers in high-stake fields were more cautious about AI's limitations. The study suggests that AI tools should be designed to encourage critical engagement rather than passive acceptance of outputs, helping users maintain their cognitive abilities while leveraging AI's efficiency. A BBC study found that major AI chatbots, including ChatGPT and Google Gemini, frequently produce inaccurate or misleading news summaries, with many responses containing factual errors or fabricated quotes. This raises concerns about AI's impact on trust in news. Scientists at Oxford University have achieved a major breakthrough in quantum computing by successfully linking quantum computers with quantum teleportation. This marks the first demonstration of distributed quantum computing where multiple smaller quantum processors are connected to work together as a single system. Traditional quantum computers face challenges in scaling up due to the difficulty of maintaining quantum states in large systems. Instead of cramming more qubits into one machine, Oxford researchers used a photonic network to link separate quantum processors, allowing them to share quantum information via entanglement. By teleporting quantum logic gates, basic computational building blocks, the team demonstrated that quantum operations can be performed across separate processors. This approach mirrors how supercomputers function, distributing computations across multiple smaller units to enhance performance. The experiment successfully ran Grover's search algorithm, proving that distributed quantum computing is feasible with current technology. This paves the way for a future quantum internet where interconnected quantum devices could revolutionize fields like cryptography, material science, and complex problem solving. While significant engineering challenges remain, this proof of concept suggests that the future of quantum computing may lie in networks of smaller, flexible quantum modules rather than single, massive machines. That's all for today. See you in the next.